Looking for a natural, simple, and inexpensive way to make your home smell wonderful? In this video, I'll show you a clever little trick using something you probably throw away every day: orange and lemon peels. When you peel your citrus fruits, don't toss the skins. These peels are packed with essential oils that release a fresh, zesty aroma when heated. If you have an open fire or wood-burning stove, simply toss a few peels onto the flames. Within minutes, your room will be filled with a warm, refreshing fragrance that's both uplifting and cozy. This works especially well during winter evenings when you want to freshen the air without chemical sprays or candles. Here as another tip: you can dry orange and lemon peels in the oven at a low temperature, or simply air dry them. Store them in a jar and use them whenever you need a burst of freshness in your fire. No fireplace? No problem. Simmer citrus peels in a pot of water with a cinnamon stick or a few cloves. This creates an amazing stovetop potpourri that makes your whole home smell inviting. So next time you enjoy an orange or a lemon, save those peels. With just a little heat, you can turn them into nature's air freshener. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more natural home hacks, and share this with a friend who loves cozy living.